So we have been talking a lot about technology today between the special app that the Farm Progress Show has developed, their interactive maps online. Well, there are a lot of technology opportunities here at Farm Progress for the farmer in their field. Leah Potter, who's with Agrible, is one of the folks that's talking with farmers about this technology. And I think there's an idea out there, Leah, that a lot of people don't really see farmers as tech savvy, or that that's something that they use, but that's certainly not true, is it?
That is not the case at all. So farmers are always the first people to find the newest, biggest tractor with the best GPS in it. They love their toys. And they also understand how valuable those can be as we continue to move towards a more sustainable world where we use things with a more sustainable edge on it, and we also move forward towards food sustainability as we grow in a larger world population.
Well, and as the markets today was a really volatile day on the stock market, and that can impact commodities, and so getting the most out of your land is really important. And you actually have developed as a company tools that help farmers to do that. So talk to me a little bit about some of your products.
That's true. So I work for Agrible. We have created a product, Morning Farm Report. It's a website, and it's also an email that comes out at 5 o'clock each morning. So while you're getting your coffee, you can check your email and know where you need to go for the day. So we use big data technology for the weather and soil information, and we take that, we roll it all up, and we give out these suggestions for what a farmer can do during their day, and they use it to just make their world as easy as possible and gives that data exactly where it's needed at the right time.
Well, and that is a huge change over time. When you look at, you had to go out and look at the stars. I mean, there's still some of that to see what's going to come with the weather, but in terms of being predictive, that's what's important here. And you call this a predictive technology, right?
That's correct. We do actionable predictive analytics. What that means is it's something you can act on, and it's towards the future. It's future looking. So we have reports that look 2 weeks into the future and seasonal to the end of the season even. So we're looking at stuff happening next year right now, and we're wanting to bring that information straight to the grower.
And they get it every morning, which is cool. Morning Farm Report. So you actually have one pulled up here on the iPad, so we're going to turn it around. Give us a little tour. Show us what this involves. And I've already tried to pull this up on my iPhone, and it works.
That's correct, yes. You can see it on a computer, on an iPad, on an iPhone, or an Android. What you get here, this is the full suite of products. It's your Morning Farm Report. This is today's. We have a couple fields in Champaign County. What we're looking at here is the list of fields, as well as the yield and the range of what we think the yield is going to be in each field, the crop stage, the Morning Farm Index, which is our kind of proprietary system for figuring out how your conditions are doing compared to everyone else. We also have Tractor Time, which is our big special for this year with ADM in this booth, and what we're doing with them is logistics planning today and 2 weeks into the future using soil and weather recommendations moving forward.
So this is one of those things where, in layman's terms, if a farmer needs to go and perhaps spend time looking at a new seed or something like that, and they know it's going to rain, or that you're not going to, or your soil is going to be soggy, right? You plan around that?
Yes, that's correct. Okay. So you can know I need to go here, I can't go there. That's basically the gist.
Wow, which is really cool. So, all right, and you said it's updated every morning.
That's correct. It's updated at 5 o'clock each morning. Some of our website information every 20 to 30 minutes. So it's very accurate.
Wow, interesting. So up to the date information, and you get the report in the morning. Talk to me a little bit about what the farmers that are here are asking you for our more ag-oriented audience. What kinds of questions do you get?
As you mentioned, the markets are not doing great right now. They're very volatile. Everyone's kind of worried about what's going to happen into the future. We like to take some of that worry away by showing them what's going to happen coming up this season, even moving into next season. We put out weather videos. We're really just trying to bring this weather data straight to the grower as they have these concerns about what's going to happen moving towards the end of the season and into next season.
We talk a lot on Channel 3 about weather, obviously, because it's so important here in central Illinois, but it changes frequently. So this kind of big data helps to supplement or to help to, I guess, give new context to kind of what's happening on a daily basis, right?
That's correct. And not only that, but we are more of an agronomically focused weather, so it's definitely taking the plant, putting that first, letting you know exactly what the information is for that plant at an 80-acre grid. That is how precise we are able to be.
80 acres?
Yes.
It is amazing what the technology can do, and right from your iPad that you can take with you out into the field, right?
Correct. Yep. We're hoping everyone has their iPad and their tractor to, listen to the radio, read the newspaper, and hopefully look at our emails.
And now get the new information about exactly what's happening in the markets. Leah, thank you so much. We appreciate it. Leah Potter is with Agrible and the Morning Farm Report. We'll connect you to their information online. Head over to CILiving.tv and IllinoisHomepage.net.